Went to use the car charger today, and as you can see, watch this, it does not stay. None of them do. Flip it over. Same issue. Falls right out. And I don't know if I just got a defective one, but for some reason these are too loose.
I don't know, man. It just won't cut on. Tried doing it other directions and everything. It just don't work. I don't know. Plugged it in the right way, everything. Like, it just sucks because we were so excited to get it too. I guess round 2, I guess. Light won't cut on.